Okay. Hey, Carly. Thanks for coming in today. I just wanted to ask you, for the interview that we're doing, what are your five strengths?
Yeah, I think my number one strength would have to be adaptability. As like a new employee, I think you definitely have to be open to change, and devoted to continual learning. I think that's super important as a new employee and even like a continuous employee. You're always, especially now with technology, there's always new things, so you have to be adaptable. Um, then I would think integrity, especially with ethics. I think ethics is a big deal, especially nowadays. You definitely have to be open, honest, and ethical. And then definitely coordination. I'm a big problem solver, and I want to make sure that I bring everyone together, all the employees, that we're all on the same page. And then I'm a very active listener, so I'm always asking those important questions and always giving those important answers to the people asking questions. And then I think I have good written communication skills. I'm really good with the computer and just making sure everyone's on the same task and everyone's on the same page. So yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay, and then that was great. That was great. I'll ask, Halston, what are your five strengths since we're doing this again?
So I think definitely one of my top strengths would be active listening. I think for a sales position, you really have to be able to listen to the customer and be able to respond to what they need. I also think I'm very adaptable. And again, as a salesperson, you have to be able to adapt to the customer's needs and go into different situations, not knowing what's going to happen and come out with a result. I am very dependable. So someone could always be able to depend on me to show up on time and get my work done, which I think is a good attribute to have.
Yeah.
I have integrity, which I think as a salesperson, people appreciate. You always want to have someone who's ethical and not trying to be a sleazy salesperson, which is good for both the customers and then the company. And I also think that I'm very motivated. So
Mm,
I think that's a great thing to have in this position, just being motivated to make sales. And yeah.
cool. Okay, so one of you guys should do
Okay,
it now.
I'll do it. All right, Kate, thanks for coming in today. So the first question is, what do you think your five attributes are?
Okay, for my five attributes, I would say the first one is integrity. I think that is very important when you're a salesperson. I think that so many people these days have this fear of salespeople just completely ripping them off or only focusing on their best interests. When in reality, it's that the people with integrity will ultimately like come out on top in the end in terms of sales. I also think that one of my strongest attributes is dependability. I will be there on time for work. I will get you the sales you need. I will bring in the numbers. I just think my strong record at all the stock market companies I've worked for in the past will definitely shine through. Um, and I think that my other strong attribute is motivation. Um, I feel like all of these five attributes just are things that you pick up as you get to know someone. So it's very hard to just say it out loud and be like, yeah, this is what I am, because no one can believe you until they see it. But I'm a very motivated person. Uh, I walk my dog every day. I go to the gym, and I get my work done on time and stuff. Um, I would say my fourth one is logical reasoning, and that's just because I am educated. I go to college right now. I'm surrounded by classmates who are very intelligent. Um, and I would say the fifth one is adaptability. Um, Adaptability because, especially in my major, marketing,